Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, what have we got? We've got another egg. This is pasture raised. This is some sourdough bread. This is Havarti cheese. And this is tuna. Pre-made. Greetings, Foster here. How you doing? This is another one of my popular fried egg on toast sandwiches. Very simple to make. In fact, simple's in the title. Now, if you want to know how to make this tuna, right here, visit the link right there, and I'll have it linked on a classic tuna, and you can make this. First thing we're going to do, fry this egg up and put this bad boy together. Check it out. All right, let's drop a little butter in there. All right, this is on medium. Drop the egg in. Just like this. Give the baby a little pepper. Okay, I'm going to put this on medium, and I'm going to do the old flipperoo right here. I'm going to put this Havarti cheese on it. Actually, I'm shutting that baby off. When that toast is ready, put this bad boy together. Fresh out of the toaster, butter it. There's that tuna, pre-made. We showed you how to make it on another video. So you spread the tuna on there, like this. Now that's nice. That's a nice little tuna sandwich. Oh, wait a minute. It's gonna get crazy in a second. Because you know I can make a fried egg on toast sandwich out of just about anything. Here's that beautiful egg. Little cheese on top, melted perfectly. I might add. All right, let's cut into it. Right in that yolk. Oh yeah, it's gonna be gooey. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. And there's your close-up. Big bite coming up. All right, there it is again. Fried egg on tuna toast. See how this baby tastes. I'm gonna use a fork. Let's take a bite. Now, if you've never had the taste of tuna and egg before, you should give it a shot. The tuna tastes like tuna. The egg is creamy. The combo's delicious. One more bite. This is going for the big bites. I got some pickles in that tuna. No, there's pickles in it. Very creamy. The Havarti and that yolk makes it super creamy. Another simple fried egg on toast sandwich. Check out all the other ones I have and all of the thousands of videos I have at Live Life 365 on my YouTube channel. Tell people about it, subscribe. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
First thing just about. I don't know what that was. To pull it up. I fell. Got a big bite that time. Sweet booby. It's the worst thing I've ever eaten. No, it's good. It's really good. It is so good it makes you want to say,